In this video, I'll show you how to use Veeqo for your everyday tasks step by step. By the end, you'll know how to set up your account, organize your warehouse, manage your stock, process orders, and print shipping labels. We'll start by setting up your account and connecting it to your sales channels, then move into inventory control and warehouse management. You'll also learn how to handle stock transfers, create purchase orders, manage returns, and keep your inventory synced across platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Once you log in to your Veeqo account, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where you'll see products that are ready to ship. You can update their status to things like payment required, pending, Amazon to ship, shipped, canceled, or refunded. You can also add, edit, or delete products right from this screen. For shipped items, Veeqo will show you the shipped status along with the ship date. If you need to create a new order, just click plus new order. Enter the customer's name, country, address, and phone number, then hit save. You can even import orders by simply dragging and dropping a CSV file. All your orders will show up right here, ready to be edited whenever you need. And if you want to check shipping details like package dimensions, shipping rates, or ship dates, you can edit those too, whether it's for today, tomorrow, or any future day you choose. All right. Now let's move on to the inventory section. This is where you'll see all the products you currently have in stock. You'll notice each item shows its SKU number, location, and stock level. You can quickly see what's in stock, what's running low, and what's completely out of stock. If you want to add a new product, just click on Add New Product. From there, you can select a brand, type in the product name, and enter the SKU number. Set the retail price, then add how many units you have available in your current location. You can also choose the country of origin and even add a barcode. Next, fill in the estimated delivery time, product dimensions, whether in inches or centimeters, and add the weight. You can adjust the width, height, and depth if needed. Once everything looks good, hit Create Product to save it. If you already have a big product list, you don't need to add everything manually. You can simply import products using a CSV file. To check or edit any product, let's say the Apple Magic Mouse, click on it to open the details page. Here you'll see the product image, SKU number, cost price, and location. You can even change the image by uploading a new one. In the same view, you'll find sales information, like how many units were sold in the last 6 months, the cost price, sales tax, profit per unit, and margin per unit. Scroll down a bit and you'll see shipping details, including the product's weight, country of origin, and HS code. You can also view and edit supplier information if you need to. Finally, you can set things like minimum stock quantity, maximum stock quantity, and reorder quantity to make sure you never run out. So basically, the inventory section is where you add products, manage stock levels, and edit all the important product details, everything you need to keep your catalog clean and up to date. Next, we'll see how the Profit Analyzer works on Veeqo. The Veeqo Profit Analyzer is a simple tool that combines your sales, revenue, fees, and ad spend data all in one place. First, you need to connect your stores. If you don't have any stores connected yet, start by clicking on Connect Stores. Then, click on Plus New Store to add stores like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, BigCommerce, and more. Let's say you want to add Amazon. Click on Amazon and then click Continue. If you have multiple stores, you can connect them all by clicking Continue. Next, choose the region where your Amazon store is located, such as the USA or another country. Click Save and Continue. Finally, click on Connect Now and your Veeqo account will be connected to your Amazon store, allowing the Profit Analyzer style reporting to pull in your sales, revenue, fees, and ad spend automatically in one place. Let's take a closer look at the Analytics and Sales Report section in Veeqo. This is where you can monitor your business performance in detail. Click on Sales Report to see all the sales you've made within a specific time frame. You can choose the last 30 days, 12 months, or even customize the range to fit your needs. The dashboard gives you the flexibility to filter your sales by sales channels like Amazon, Shopify, or eBay, order tags, brands, and more. You can also change the view to see your results by week, day, or month, depending on how closely you want to track your performance. Once you open the report, you'll see detailed insights such as total sales revenue, sales tax collected, shipping revenue, cost of goods sold, COGS, and total profit. This makes it easy to understand exactly where your income and expenses are coming from. You can also apply filters by store order status, such as awaiting Amazon fulfillment, awaiting Amazon stock, completed, or canceled orders. This feature helps you keep an eye on what's pending, what's fulfilled, and what needs attention. For example, if your profit percentage shows 69% with 8 total units sold, that means 69% of your sales revenue is profit after deducting costs, a great quick indicator of how well your store is performing. These detailed metrics help you see not just how much you're selling, but how efficiently you're running your business. Now let's move on to the product report section. This part focuses specifically on your products and variants. You can view best-selling products, most profitable items, and product performance by category or brand. For instance, if the Apple Magic Mouse is your top seller, Veeqo will highlight it along with its total revenue and profit contribution. Each product also displays its SKU number, the current stock on hand, how many units are allocated to pending orders but not yet shipped, and how many are still available for sale. This helps you manage inventory in real time and avoid stockouts or overselling. Every small detail, from sales performance to inventory movement, can be analyzed right here in the Product Reports section, giving you full visibility into how your products are performing across all your connected stores. Let's explore the Settings section in Veeqo and see how each part works in detail. When you click on General, you'll find all your core account and store preferences. This is where you can adjust your delivery method, purchase order prefix, and default currency used across your stores. You can also set your unit of measurement, dimension unit, time zone, and your business's country, region, city, postal code, and phone number. These details are especially important because they ensure your orders, invoices, and reports display accurate and localized information. For instance, setting the right time zone keeps your sales and shipment records synced correctly with your local time. Next, open the Marketplace and Commerce Integration section. This is where you connect all your selling platforms. You can add major e-commerce stores like Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, BigCommerce, and Walmart, among others. Connecting these stores allows Veeqo to automatically pull in your sales, orders, and inventory data so everything stays updated in one place. If you sell on multiple platforms, this integration saves a lot of time and helps prevent overselling. Now, move to the Inventory section. Here, you can control how inventory behaves across your stores. For example, you can turn on the setting that requires a reason when users manually adjust stock levels. This helps track who made changes and why. You can also choose to automatically allocate available inventory to pending orders, which ensures your customers get their items faster. Another useful option is the ability to link matching listings within the same Amazon marketplace, so Veeqo can sync stock between identical items. You can even add new product brands directly from this section, helping you keep your catalog organized. After that, check out the Shipping Carrier Integration section. This is where you can connect shipping carriers like Amazon Shipping, FedEx, UPS, USPS, OnTrack, and DHL. Veeqo lets you view each carrier's available services. For example, UPS offers options such as Next Day Air and Ground Saver. To connect your carrier, just click Connect Carrier Account, log in with your carrier credentials, and your Veeqo account will link directly to that service. Once connected, you can easily compare shipping rates, print labels, and manage deliveries from one dashboard. You can also add or modify delivery methods depending on what you offer your customers. Lastly, there's the Billing and Transactions section. This area shows your current credit balance. For example, it may show $0 if you haven't added any funds yet. Veeqo offers a referral program where you can invite friends and earn a bonus month with 5% credit by sharing your referral link. You can also redeem referral codes or manage payments by clicking Add Credit Card, where you'll enter your card number, expiration date, and CVC to securely save it for future billing. Overall, these Veeqo settings give you full control over your account, integrations, inventory, shipping, and billing, everything you need to tailor the platform to fit your exact business workflow. So, that's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.